like the second one green and first one is red. So it's like this, okay? So let's click on code, top right code, and click on text, okay? So delete any of this already existing code. We don't need any of this stuff. So in a basic bare minimum Arduino program, keep this in mind, okay? This is important. In a bare minimum Arduino program, what you see here right now, void setup, open curly bracket, close curly bracket, void loop, open curly bracket, close curly bracket. This much you always need, okay? This much should always be there in your program. Void setup and void loop, got it, right? So what do you want to do with these three LEDs? So I'm watching. Okay, cool. Please can you say how to do that? Okay. Okay, guys. Then what to do? Okay, what's setup and void loop, right? Okay, done. So what we're gonna do is, let's turn on all the. So first thing you have to do before anything, okay, you have to tell the Arduino we have attached three LEDs to you, because Arduino has no idea what we have attached to it. It doesn't even know that anything is there because we did the connections, right? So Arduino doesn't know. So that's the first thing we should do. So there's a command to do this, okay? The command we use to tell the Arduino what we have done the connections is, we use pin mode. So we use pin mode, and we tell pin mode what is the first pin we have attached to. Yeah, pin mode 7 na. So we have attached a red LED to 7. Pin mode 7 comma input. Sorry. Is it input or output? Is LED input or output? Okay, output. Okay, done, right? I have to do for all three LEDs. So I'll take this pin mode line and I'll copy paste it 3 times. But you can type it out also. It's okay still. So okay, fine. So first one is 7. Second LED is attached to pin number 5. Correct. It's attached to pin number 5, and the last LED is attached to pin number 4. Yes, perfect. I see your answers. Yeah. So all the LEDs you have given it, you have told the Arduino that first LED is in output, second LED is in output, third LED is in output. You have told. So next step is, in the void loop, let's just turn them on. Let's just give some power to all these 3 pins right here. So 7, 5, and 4. Let's give them some power. How you do this with the Arduino is, we use the command digital write. So this digital write command is there, right? This wait, I think I made a spelling mistake. Yeah, digital write. So this command right here is used in order to turn on or turn off a pin. So you remember, right? High is on and low is off. So we use digital write to turn things on and on. So this you can take any of these digital pins and you can turn them on. You can turn them on. You can turn them off. You can do whatever. So we do digital write 7 comma high. Okay, this is the first LED. So red LED, right, is attached to 7. So I have told digital write 7 and make it high. So let's just start simulation and let's see what happens. Oh, I forgot to put resistors. Damn. So wait, I forgot to put resistors. Big mistake from my part. So I'll put one common resistor to the ground and attach it off. This is not advised. Put individual resistors to each component. Okay? This is a mistake on my part. Okay, anyways, now see. You see it, right? Red is turned on. So that's because we wrote only digital write 7 comma high. So only red turned on. Okay. So the next thing we'll do is we will write digital write. So whatever you write, you can write one below the other. You can write, okay, 7 comma high, and then next we'll do 4 comma high, 4 comma high. Okay. So if you do 4 comma high, which LED will turn on? Tell me before I start the program. Can you tell me if I do 4 comma high, which LED will turn on? Yeah? Are you sure, everybody? Huh? 4. Blue, Arya Nayak. Okay. Red and blue. Oh yeah, that's a better answer. Okay, yeah, perfect. Yeah. Most of you got it, man. Okay, wait. Raj Gaikwad got the wrong answer, but Divisha, okay, Prisha, okay, Shri. Yes. Okay, let's see. If you were right. Yeah, you were right. Blue turned on, Janvi and Suryanshu. Okay, yeah. Blue turned on, red also is on. So perfect. So the finally, so we just repeat it to the green because we understood, right? Two LEDs. So done. So blue turned on. Now last we'll just do a 5. So if you do 5 and just start simulating, all of them will turn on, right? Done. See, all of them are on. So it's as simple as that. If you want to turn something on, it's as simple as this. Just do 7, comma 4, comma 5, comma high. So I'll give you one simple tip. Okay, if you want to make this look better, what you can do is between all of these lines, no, you put a delay. Delay is basically telling the Arduino, don't do anything, just wait for some time, and after the delay is over, the Arduino will start doing the next task. So how Arduino works is first it will do this line, and then it will do the next line. So it will do line by line. They've given numbers, right? So first it will do 12 line, then 13 line, and 14 line, but it will do it in crazy fast speed. It will do it in 16,000 times in 1 second. So it's very fast. But we can tell it after the first line, you wait for 1 second. So 1 second is 1000, no? So I will do that. You can be creative with this. You can do however you like. After the second line, you wait for another 1000 seconds. Wait 1 second. Okay, so something like this. Okay, done, right? So after the first line, it waits for 1000 seconds. After second line, also it waits for 1000 seconds. Now let's see what happens. Okay, first red turns on, then blue turns on, then green turns on. So like this only, you can make your own patterns. You can make your own patterns. You can make it blink also. If you want to make it blink, right, you have to make it turn on and turn off. Because if you don't tell it to turn off, no, it will always be on. So this is how you do it. So this is how you make the first letter of your name. You make your name first with the LEDs, and then you do all of then you this is how you code it. This is the same code you use for any of the LED programs. Okay. So this is just the brief thing with our first. So we have to write first letter of our name. Yes, Himanshu. You'll have to write your first letter of your name. Imagine my name is just 3 LEDs, but you make your full name. And this is how you code it though. Coding is just you type digital write in it. Digital write, and you put the pin number and high. So remember how to make this command. If you want this code, I'll put it in the chat. So yeah, I'll just put this in the chat. Okay, if any of you want it. So you just need two commands: pin mode and digital write. That's all. Okay. So we'll move on to the next project now. Like I have put the code in the chat. Okay, I hope everybody can see it. If you still have doubts regarding this, you can raise your hand. Okay. So I taught this a long time ago. Yes, he did. Dev, I know Dev, but this is a revision, so I have to cover everything. Okay. So Dhananjay and Arya have doubts. Okay, let's see what you have.
Hello, sir. Uh, Hello, sir. I don't understand that. We have to write our.
Okay, done. Yeah. So let's see if this works. Okay. I hope I didn't make any mistakes. First, red turns on, then blue turns on, and then green turns on, and it all turns off. Yeah, you can give any pin numbers. You put the pin numbers of your choice wherever you connect it. You saw it, right? So first, this is an
Yes.
LED pattern. So you turn it on, wait for some time, and then turn it off, and then turn the next one on, wait for some time, and turn it off. So this is how you do it. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Dave. What was
Yes,
your doubt?
actually, I had doubt that in the project PDF, in the second point in the instruction, there is
Uh-huh.
written that answer the question in minimum 140 words. So I think we didn't receive any questions.
No. Like in that answer the question place, you don't have to answer any question, but you need to write up. So what we'll do is we will tell serial.println, okay, yogit. So we are storing the value in the name yogit. Okay, we're storing it in yogit, and we're telling print those values in the serial monitor. We have told in the program. Let's see what happens. Okay, let me start simulating. Oh, I made a mistake in the code. Can somebody tell me what I've done? It still read serial yogurt. What have I done? Wallet of yogurt was not. Oh yeah. So I got it. It says Yogit is not declared in the scope, which means, hmm. So if I take a new name like Yogit or something, I have to put an int before it, okay? Or I have to tell the program that we will be using something called Yogit in the top. Before the program, I have to tell we'll use an integer called Yogit. I forgot to tell the program, okay? So the moment we tell the program, we should be fine. And okay, what mistake have I done here? Serial was not declared in the scope. Oh, I made a spelling mistake. Okay, serial dot print. Yeah. Okay, cool. Done, right? Okay, fine. Program is done. Now serial spelling is wrong. Yes, Siddhi. Okay. For character and for number. Yes, Suraj. That's proper. Exactly. So right now, serial monitor is seeing 0. That means the value of Yogit is currently 0, or the value at pin number 3 is 0. Okay. Pin number 3 is not seeing anything. The sensor is not sending any signal. Nothing is happening. Okay. So I click on this, and there's a ball, right? Imagine that ball is the thief. That ball is the warm-blooded animal. So the moment this warm-blooded animal moves in front of the sensor will see a 1. You guys saw it, right? All the readings now became 1s. So the moment, so this is how the Arduino sees it, okay? Arduino sees it as a 1 and a 0. We see it as on and off, right? So Arduino sees it 1 and 0. So that's exactly how it works. So what we'll do is, since we know that the Arduino is going to see a 1, what we'll do is, if we'll put an if statement, okay? So we can do if statements in Arduino. So if Yogit, where is it? Becomes a 1. If Yogit becomes a 1, so we use it by telling 2 equal to. So if Yogit equal to 1, then do whatever is written in the next 2 brackets. Okay? Then we'll put 2 brackets. Whatever is there in this 2 brackets, it will do. Okay? So that's how this works. So if Yogit equal to 1, then analog write, I'm telling analog write motor, which is attached to pin number 10. No, analog write this motor. So let's say this motor is a motor is attached to your school alarm. Your school alarm will go very, very fast. No, let's say attach a spring to this motor and add a belt to the motor. So tung 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 tung, it'll hit very fast. So analog write 10 comma 1 10 comma 255, because this is alarm. So we'll do like this. So if statement is done, so we will check this out. Okay, let's see this much code. I'll just start working and let's see what will happen. So right now motor is not turning, 0 RPM. It's not turning at all. Can everybody see the motor? I'll just put it here. Okay. Okay, now I'll move the ball because thief comes, ball moves, and the moment the ball moves, motor also starts turning. You guys see it, right? So I have done an if statement. So since Yogit became 1, the motor starts turning using this program. So this part of the program. So that's how it works. But even when the sensor is off, motor is still turning. Why is it still turning like that? That's because we didn't tell it to turn off. We have to tell everything to it. We have to tell it to turn on, we have to tell it to turn off. So we'll tell if Yogit is not equal to 1 or otherwise, okay, you need to use else command. Yes, there. So we'll do if Yogit is equal to 1, otherwise analog write, instead of turning it off, I'll make it turn slow. Okay, analog write 10 comma 20. I'll do. You can give any numbers. So I'll tell. So when the alarm is not off, it turns slower. So check this out. Okay. So now it's turning in 400, right? Because there is nothing activated. The moment I activate the sensor, where is it? Okay, the moment I activate the sensor, the motor will turn fast. Yeah, so this is how you make this PIR sensor work. Okay, so in this code, this if else code, you can put whatever you like. You can turn on LED, you can turn on piezo, you can turn this, you can do that, you can do anything. Okay. Anyways, so now okay, all your doubts. Let's do a doubt session, and let's see, like, if you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Like if you have particular doubts, you can ask that also. It's not an issue. Let's do this.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ayush.
Actually, I want to know.
You wanted to show something?
Yes, sir. I have made that PIR sensor with the help of battery.
Oh, nice. Without Arduino.
Yes.
Good job, man. Is it working?
Yes, sir. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Sir,
Oh,
it's
nice.
working.
I see it. Cool, man. Cool, cool, cool. That's nice. Good job.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes,
Is it?
Rugved, you have it out.
Hello, sir.
Yeah?
You unmuted me.
Yeah, you raised your hand.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, actually, I by mistake raised my hand. Sorry, sir.
Okay, okay. No problem. Okay, what about Arya?
Hello, sir. I want to that I don't understand piezo speaker sound.
PSO, you don't understand? Okay, we'll go through it. We'll go through it. Prisha says my mother tongue is Telugu. No, no, it's not Telugu. It's not Telugu. Okay, fine. Ankit Jadhav and Harshvardhan also. You asked it
Sir,
out.
I have a doubt about activity of topic of robotics. We, sir, we have not have computer or laptop. How we have to do project of
I didn't understand, Ankit.
Sir, when we have to submit this project?
You have to submit it. I think they've given you a deadline, right? At the end of this month or something. End of this month or next month.